If you say, I'm really happy, you sound like a textbook. But if you say it the American way, you sound completely natural. Let me show you the difference.
Yeah, most learners use really wrong. They put it in the wrong place or they sound too formal. Today, we're fixing that.
By the end of this video, you'll use really exactly like Americans do in real conversations. Let's go.
Hey everyone, welcome to Speaklio English. I'm here to help you speak real American English, not textbook English.
And I'm here too. We make learning English feel like talking with friends, not sitting in a classroom.
Today's topic is super important. The word really is everywhere in American English. We use it at work, with friends, at the store, everywhere.
But here's the problem. Most learners use it in boring, formal ways. They sound like robots, not real people.
So today, we're teaching you 8 natural ways Americans actually use really every single day.
If you want to sound more American and more confident, hit that subscribe button right now. Practice real English with us every week.
All right, let's start with the biggest mistake.
Here's what learners usually say. I am really tired. Correct grammar, but it sounds stiff.
Right, Americans actually say, I'm really tired. We contract. We don't say I am in casual conversation.
Exactly. So first tip, always use contractions with really. Say I'm really, not I am really.
Let me give you more examples. Don't say he is really nice. Say he's really nice.
Don't say they are really good. Say they're really good.
See the pattern? Contractions make you sound natural. Say it with me. I'm really excited.
I'm really excited. Good. One more. She's really smart.
She's really smart. Perfect. Okay, that's tip number 1. Always use contractions.
Now, here's the second way Americans use really. We use it to show surprise or disbelief.
Yeah, like if someone tells you something shocking, you say, really? Just one word.
Exactly. Imagine your friend says, I got a new job in California. You respond, really? That's amazing.
Or someone says, I've never tried pizza. You say, really? Never?
The tone goes up at the end. It's a question. Really?
Let me try. You say something surprising.
Okay, I'm thinking about getting a dog.
Really? What kind of dog?
See how natural that sounds? You're not just saying, oh, or okay. You're showing interest.
This is huge in American conversation. We say really all the time to keep conversations going.
Let's practice together. I'll say something and you, at home, say really out loud.
Ready? Here we go. I'm moving to New York next month.
Say it now. Really.
Good. One more. I started learning guitar last week.
Really. Perfect. You're getting it.
All right, third way. Americans use really to emphasize how much we mean something.
Right. Like if someone asks, do you like this restaurant? Don't just say yes. Say, yeah, I really do.
I really do. It shows strong feeling. You're not just agreeing, you're emphasizing.
Here's another example. Someone asks, did you enjoy the movie? You say, I really did.
I really did. Not yes, I enjoyed it. That's boring.
Or imagine someone asks, do you want to go? You say, I really don't. It shows you definitely don't want to go.
This pattern is super common. I really do, I really don't, I really am, I really can't.
Let's practice this one. I'll ask you a question. You answer with really to emphasize.
Okay, ask me.
Do you like teaching English?
I really do. It's my favorite thing.
Perfect. See how much stronger that sounds? Now you try at home. Do you want to improve your English?
Answer out loud. I really do.
Awesome. You're sounding more American already.
All right, fourth way. This one's tricky but super useful. We use really before adjectives to make them stronger.
Yeah, like instead of saying this coffee is hot, we say this coffee is really hot.
Or instead of saying the test was hard, we say the test was really hard.
It makes your description more powerful. You're not just saying something, you're emphasizing it.
Here are some examples Americans say every day. It's really cold today.
That movie was really good.
This bag is really heavy.
Your English is really improving.
See, we put really right before the adjective. Really cold, really good, really heavy.
Let me test you. Make this sentence stronger. This pizza is good.
This pizza is really good. Yes, one more. That exam was difficult.
That exam was really difficult. Exactly. You've got it.
All right, fifth way, and this one's important. Americans use not really all the time.
Oh yeah, not really is huge. It's a polite way to say no.
Right, if someone asks you, do you like spicy food, and you don't, you can say not really.
It's softer than just saying no. It sounds more polite and natural.
Here's another example. Someone asks you, are you busy right now? You say, not really.
Or, do you watch a lot of TV? Not really.
This is perfect for everyday conversation. It doesn't sound rude, it sounds friendly.
Americans use this at work, with friends, everywhere. Let me ask you some questions. Answer with not really.
Okay, go ahead.
Do you like waking up early?
Not really. I prefer sleeping in.
Perfect. Are you a good cook?
Not really. I'm still learning.
See how natural that sounds? Now you, at home, practice with us. Do you like cold weather?
Say it now. Not really.
Great job. Use this phrase every day.
All right, seventh way. We use really to ask for confirmation.
Yeah, like if someone tells you something and you want to make sure, you say, really? But in a different tone.
Right, the tone is important. It's not just surprise, it's checking. Like, are you sure?
Example, someone says, the store closes at 6. You want to confirm, so you say, really? At 6?
Or your friend says, I'm not coming to the party. You say, really? You're not?
It's a gentle way to double-check information. It's very common in American English.
Let's practice. I'll tell you something and you confirm with really.
Okay, the meeting got canceled.
Really? It got canceled?
Exactly. One more. I finished all my work early.
Really? You finished everything?
Perfect. That's exactly how Americans talk every single day.
All right, seventh way. This one's fun one. We use really, really for extra emphasis.
Yes, when one really isn't enough, we double it.
Like, I'm really, really tired. It means you're extremely tired.
Or, this is really, really important. It shows it's super important.
Americans do this all the time in casual conversation. I'm really, really sorry.
That was really, really funny.
I really, really appreciate your help.
It sounds enthusiastic and genuine. It's not formal, but it's very American.
Let's practice. Make this sentence stronger. I'm hungry.
I'm really, really hungry. Yes, one more. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I really, really appreciate it. Beautiful.
Okay, eighth and final way. We use really in questions to show doubt.
Oh yeah, this is interesting. Like if someone says something you don't believe, you say really with a doubtful tone.
Exactly. Imagine someone says, I ran 10 miles this morning. You're skeptical, so you say, really?
The tone is flat or slightly down. It's like saying, are you serious? I'm not sure I believe you.
Or someone says, I'm the best cook in the world. You say, really? It's playful doubt.
This happens a lot between friends. It's not rude, it's just joking or questioning.
Let me give you an example. I'll say something unbelievable and you respond.
Okay, go.
I can speak 10 languages fluently.
Really? 10 languages?
See that tone? It's not excited, it's doubtful. That's the key.
Now you at home, try it. Someone says, I've never used a phone before. You say with doubt, really?
Great, you're mastering all 8 ways.
Okay, now let's do a quick role play to practice everything we learned.
Good idea. I'll be the learner and you be the American speaker. Correct me if I make mistakes.
Perfect, let's start. Hey, how are you?
I am really tired today.
Try again. Use a contraction.
Oh, right. I'm really tired today.
Perfect, that sounds natural. Why are you tired?
I stayed up late. The movie was really, really good.
Nice, you used really, really for emphasis. What movie?
A new action movie. Did you see it?
Not really. I don't watch many action movies.
Oh, you should. It was really exciting.
Really? Maybe I'll check it out.
You really should. I really loved it.
Awesome. You use really so naturally. Great job.
Thanks. See everyone, practice like this and you'll sound like a native speaker.
All right, let's do a quick recap of everything we learned today.
We covered 8 ways to use really like Americans do.
Number 1, use contractions. I'm really happy, not I am really happy.
Number 2, use really to show surprise.
Number 3, use I really do or I really don't to emphasize.
Number 4, put really before adjectives. Really good, really cold.
Number 5, use not really as a polite no.
Number 6, use really to confirm information.
Number 7, use really for extra emphasis.
And number 8, use really with a doubtful tone to question something.
If you practice these 8 ways, you'll sound completely natural in American English.
Okay, everyone, here's your homework. This is really important.
In the comments below,